Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by pairing and charging your Surface Pen and opening the target PDF. Once done, launch Microsoft Edge or Acrobat Reader and choose the annotation or read mode so inking is active. Make sure the pen is set as the default input device in Windows ink settings. This avoids touch interference. You'll also select a pen tip and color from the toolbar, because consistent stroke and contrast matter for legibility when you save or share the annotated PDF. You'll now perform the core inking. Pick pen thickness, color, and opacity so your handwriting reads on screen. Then zoom into the area you'll write on and use a comfortable angle. This improves precision. If you need to correct, use the eraser or tap the lasso tool to select and move strokes. Make sure to toggle palm rejection or enable pen-only inking if your hand marks interfere. Once comfortable, write full sentences and use the highlighter for emphasis. These steps keep edits neat and searchable. Finish by saving your annotated file. Choose to flatten annotations if you need fixed marks, or save as a standard PDF to allow later edits. Once saved, share via cloud or email and confirm recipients can see your handwriting. Sometimes apps hide ink until flattened. If you experience lag, inconsistent pressure, or missing strokes, toggle Windows ink settings, update Surface drivers, and repair the pen. These fixes usually restore performance. If problems persist, restart the app and test writing in a different PDF viewer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.